Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import your project from After Effects to Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your project in After Effects and we need to come down to the layers and make sure you have all of the layers selected. Once you have selected all your layers, click on layer in the top and then go for this pre-compose. Go and give a name and press on this OK. Now click on file in the top right corner, go for this save as and click on this save as and then go and select a folder to save this After Effects project. Give your project a name, click on save. Now open up Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you are inside of Premiere Pro, go and create a new project. Once you have a project, go and locate the Adobe After Effects files that we have just saved. Once you've located your After Effects file, drag it into your Adobe Premiere Pro project. In the left hand side, go and select your composition that we just saved from the list and press OK. And then you can just drag your composition over to the timeline and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to import After Effects project into Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.